Hello Mango, welcome back to our 30 days of purpose, a Pilates journey with moving Mango. And today's session is a celebration of self-love. Through gentle and compassionate movement, we will connect with and honor our bodies. So if you're ready, let's begin.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad.
Right, let's start by sit on your mat, hands on your knees, open the chest and lengthen your spine. Lengthen the neck, take a deep breath and exhale deeply. Inhale through the nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale and exhale again. With a little affirmation for today. Inhale, I deserve all the love and care. And exhale and repeat one more time. I deserve all the love and care. And exhale. Awesome. Now we are going to rotate your head around the neck, a little warm up and stretching so that you can get ready for your movement and listen to how your neck feels in this movement. Does that feel stretching and feel good? Does that give you any uncomfortable feeling? And if so, just do half circle at a time. We love ourselves and we take care of ourselves by listening to how your body feels, even the smallest part of your body. And back to the center. Rotate your shoulders and reverse. Now open your arms sideways, soften your elbows, and we are going to bring your arm to the front and open your arms. And bring your arm to the front and open the arms. Now let's combine with the spine movement. So round the spine, look to your belly button, bring your hands forward, open your chest and look up. And round the spine again. And one vertebra at a time. I wanted to feel the articulation of your spine, move slow and listen to your body. And last one. And bring your hands all the way down. We are going to come to on four position. Open your arms, shoulders apart and your legs hip width apart. Now keep your arms straight, shoulders on top of the wrist. Lower your shoulders down between your arms and lift the shoulders off and up. And lower again, deepen and lift up. And lower, lengthen your neck and keep looking down. And come back. And 3 more. Pull the belly button in and up. And 2 more. And last one. And make sure that you press your shoulders all the way, your hands all the way down so that you can lift your shoulders up and activate the shoulders. Now we are going to tuck your feet and bring your feet center. Lengthen one leg to 45 degrees. Let's straighten your leg all the way and lift the leg up and come back. Keep your hips stabilized and lift up with your ankle flexed and come back. And 3 more. And 2 more. Abs in. And last one. Now straighten your leg and extend the ankle. Lift up again and lower. And 4 more. And lower, abs in. And 3 more. And 2. With control, the hips stabilized. And last one. And that's great. And now we are going to lift the same leg up. And we're going to start to make big circle here without moving your hips. You do it slowly so that you can bring the focus on your hips and think about how to stabilize the hips the most. abs in. And 2 more. And last one. And opposite direction. Do it slow and circle. And 3 more. And 2 more. And last one. And bring your foot down, still the same leg. We're gonna complete 5 moves of this series before we move to the other side. So lengthen your opposite arm up with the leg, lift the leg up and come back. Try to keep balance here and lift up and reach and come back. Reach your hands forward. Reach your toes all the way to the back and lower. And 2 more. And last one. And come all the way back, bend the knee, good job. Alright, lengthen your opposite leg, flex your ankle, press both hands down, soften your elbows, lift the leg up, and come back, and lift up, and lower, and 3 more, and 2 more, and last one. Great. Point your foot and lift up again and come back. Keep your hips stabilized, lengthen your neck, keep looking down. And 3 more. And 2. Very good. And last one. Great. And now lift the leg up. We're gonna slowly circle your leg 5 times in the same direction. Do it super slow, stabilize the hips. And 3 more. And 2. And last one. Great. Now opposite direction. Circle and open. Do it super slow. 4 more. And 3. Abs in and up to support your lower back. 2. I want you to feel how your lower back and your hips feel in this movement. And last one. And bring your foot down. Great. Alright, so we are going to lengthen your opposite arm and lift that leg up. And come back and try to keep the balance here. Inhale. You can tuck your foot if it's easier for you to keep the balance. But I want you to really engage your abs. 3 more. Try to reach your hands all the way. 2 more. And last one. And bend the knee and come back to rest pose. Wiggle your hips from left to right. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. And now chin to chest. Look to your belly button. Round the spine, slide your hand back and bring your spine to C curve. Reach your hands forward. You feel a whole stretching on your arms and your upper spine here by rounding the spine to C curve and reaching your hands forward. And on top of that, you pull the belly button in to really feel all of this stretching. This is a great stretch, and I hope that you feel it. Let me know by commenting below. And slowly bring your hands back and lengthen your spine and sit up on your heels. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Very good. Now we are going to come back and lay down on one side. Use your hand to support your head, the other hand in front of your chest. Now bend both knees to 90 degrees. And inhale, point your foot, lift the leg up. Open your leg all the way to the ceiling. Kick your leg up and bend the knee and lower your leg down 10 times with control. Inhale, open and kick up. Exhale, bend and close. And 8. Do it super slow. Use the breath to lead the movement. 7. And 6. And 5. Engage your abs, press your lower leg down. And 4 more. Open and kick up. Exhale, bend and close. And 3 more. Abs all the way in. And 2 more. I want you to feel all the muscles on the side of your hips, your thighs, and your abs here to hold your torso stabilized. Last one. And close the legs. Very good. Wiggle your hips a little bit. Lift the heels up. Now flex the ankle and kick your leg all the way to the end of the mat. And bend the knees, slide in again. And kick all the way out. And bend and slide in. And 8 more. And bend and slide in. And 7. Abs all the way in. And come back. And 6. And bend the knee. And 5 more. And bring it back. And 4. Beautiful. Come back. And 3 more. And 2 more. Abs all the way in. And last one. And bend the knee all the way. Lower your feet down. Wiggle your hips again. And the last one for today. Lengthen your top leg to the front of the mat. Point your foot again. Now kick your leg all the way up. Circle your leg and bring it down. And kick forward and circle up and come back. And 3 more times in the same direction. Try to make as big circle with control as you can. And 2 more. And last one. And opposite direction. So kick up, kick front, and then kick back. And 4 more. And 3 more. With control. Stabilize the hips. 2 more. Abs all the way in. And last one. And bend the knee all the way in. Rotate the ankle and then reverse. And we are going to bring one hand to the front of your chest. The other hand slide back. And you're going to lengthen your leg and slide all the way to the opposite side. Only if it's available to you. Otherwise, you can just go to the other side and lay down and bring your hands, support your head. Bend both knees in at 90 degrees. The top hand in front of your chest, shoulders down. And we are going to point your feet. Lift your top leg up as high as you can. Kick up and bend and close the legs in. I want to utilize the thigh muscles, the inner thighs and the outer thighs when you do that. And abs in, stabilize the hips so that you can feel the whole full muscles are working, your whole legs. You kind of feel shaking a little bit if you really use those muscles. Inhale, open and lift up. Exhale, bend and close in. And 6 more. And exhale. And 5. And 4 more. Kick up and bend and come back. And 3 more. Lengthen and come back. Beautiful. 2 more. And last one. And come all the way back. Good job. Alright, so now we are going to lift both feet up, flex the ankle, and we are going to slide your heel along to the front of the mat and bend the knee all the way in and slide out. Lengthen your leg and come back and slide out again and use the heel here. Try to lift the heel higher, slide all the way out and bend the knee in. And 7 more. And 6. Lengthen and bend the knee, and 5, and bend the knee, almost there, 4 more, lengthen, and come back, and 3, using thighs so that you really feel the muscles, and 2 more, and last one. Very good. And lower your feet down, point your feet again, lengthen your leg to the front of the mat, kick your leg forward, kick up, and kick back, behind, kick forward, 4 more times in the same direction, do it slow and with control, 3 more, inhale halfway, exhale halfway, and 2 more. You should feel your abs, your whole thighs and your glutes are working here, 2, and last one. Now opposite direction, kick back, kick up, and kick front, and 4 more times, and 3 more, almost there, 2 more, and last one, and come all the way back, knees bend, wiggle your hips a little bit, rotate the ankle and reverse, and we are going to lay down on your belly. Make a pillow under your forehead. Now shoulders down and lift your legs up. Clap your heels together, toes apart, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend the knees in and lengthen. Squeeze your butt abs in and clap again for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and lower the feet all the way down. Bring your hands next to the chest, tuck your feet, and lift the torso up and lower down. Only if it's available to you. You can make a fist in front of your chest and do the same thing if it's easier. And come back. And see if you can bring your forearms down. Tuck the tail all the way up, come to reverse V. Walk your feet forward and bend one leg and straighten one leg and switch. And bend and switch. And stabilize the hips here. And a couple more times with control. And 3 more. 2, and switch, and last one, and switch, and bend the knees all the way down. Come to rest pose. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply, exhale, relax your chest in between your arms, inhale again, and exhale deeply, and roll the spine, chin the chest, and sit up. Take a deep inhalation through your nose again, and exhale deeply through your mouth, and one more deep breath, and exhale, and the very last deep breath. I want you to focus on how your whole chest in front and your back of your body feeling when you breathe. So inhale and exhale. Relax the shoulders. And one more. And exhale. And such an amazing work today. You have shown yourself love and compassion through movements. Reflect on how you can bring more self-love into your daily life. And tomorrow we are going to work on your inner strength. I will see you in the next one. Bye.